day 2 in Atlanta. So we kind of just woke up and we went to my mom's. We walked. It's probably like a little 10 minute walk, depending on how fast you walking. So today we really didn't have anything planned. It's technically Christmas. We opened gifts at 12. My mom wanted me to do her hair, so I took an hour and did her hair. I didn't really get any side shots of that, but this is me doing her hair. And this is what it ended up turning out like. So most of the day we just ate and we watched the Beyonce halftime show.
Okay, y'all got Beyonce on the TV, y'all got Beyonce at home.
And then we got ready to go ride scooters. So my mom bought all of us a onesie of our choosing. This is the one I chose. This is me showing you guys. But yeah, we're gonna go ride the scooters and look at the Christmas lights.
Is that booty bouncing?
Right.
It's definitely bouncing.
Was that the booty bouncing? Yes, mom.
Okay, yeah. Yeah! I am a deer. A female deer. Ray. I drop and go to sun. Oh, mommy made me put on a shirt. Let me put it on. I don't have 6%. I've never threw this up a day in my life. I don't know what that is. Sorry, guys.
It's okay.
Hey, look. What is
I'm
that?
a felony.
Goodbye. Look at this. All right. What? 29th floor, I think is where my mama said it. Hurtfully.
Show them the full fit. Put it back.
Okay.
All right. Hey, y'all. Onesie from Amazon. Shoes from Five and Below. Nails. You know, I can't describe the nail tech today.
Oh, okay.
In here.
Okay. So, you know, I got my little purpose. Sheen. This is from Amazon. You know, how. Got them pockets.
Yeah, show them the pockets. Show them the pockets.
Hold on. Zoop, zoop, zoop.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, Lord, wait. Open.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
And then
8.
hat, you know, from the thing.
Okay.
That's all I got. Keep off the thing. I don't know. She just said we should. Hello, yes. She just said we should record it here. The video. That's so nice and calm. Nice place to have good content. Very, very nice.
Very, very nice. I love you.
Some nice lights. I want them LEDs. I don't know. Let's go. God the people.
I hope you're ready for nothing.
Okay, it's just a doggy park.
Oh, that's what it is.
She said I hope you're ready for nothing. Okay. Coca-Cola. Love to see that.
Lord, protect me because if I do
Don't know.
break my face.
It's about to be like, if I do it, welcome back. Smell good in here? Y'all ready? Oh, you ready? You got some swag with yours. Mr. Up on the shelf with the big booty. Okay, you added some swag, put it on there. It looks good. Mr. Up on the shelf. Say hello, mother. Mother! Say hi.
Hi.
Okay, she look like an elf on the shelf. She do with red lipstick. Oh. What you got here? Stuff? What are you looking for? Let me see. It's not a Cliffy?
I just made this.
Oh, okay. Good job. She just made that. Show the people what you made. Good job. Very, very nice. Very, very nice. Mr. Clarence, he got on his puffer jacket. Say hello. Okay. Very, 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 very nice. Tail, she's a Grinchy. Show the people.
Gotta do these Grinch. You want me to do like an actual Grinch?
You going on like I'm done. Just like this.
You already want.
Where's Caden? You know, he's extra big. So his stuff, he said it doesn't fit, but it's looking pretty cool. Say hello.
Holy.
Oh, Lord.
Oh, Lord.
Aloha.
All
Can I have some of that? Because my this is bad.
This, let me show you your
Where's my
options.
chopstick?
Let me show you your options. Hold up. Because I got another one of these. And I don't know if you want this one or the other one. Oh, here it's right here.
Ooh, that one.
Okay, here.
This like a dupe for that other, what's that? It's like a little glossy gloss that the girls use. But let's do a test. Elf. Oop. Elf.
Sponsor us right now.
Okay. Glow Revive Lip Oil. Okay, let me do it in the light so that y'all can see. Okay. Well, flip the camera then. Oh, yeah. Nah, that's cool. All right, let's do it. Because my list is chat. Sorry, y'all. Okay.
This one right here.
Very, very nice.
This got me. I didn't, you know, I like the neutral tint.
Y'all saw my list before I put it on. Baby was looking like, you be biting your lips. That's what it was looking like. It was looking weird. Okay, now I'm cute.
Come on, guys. Power Rangers. He's really on fire. Get that one.
Yeah. Very, very nice.
Take a picture.
All right, y'all, we outside. Let me put on my hoodie. Lord, protect me. I don't need no problems on this scooter. I ain't put on no socks. So we just rode around. They took us to like the city center type of thing. Our scooters couldn't really go in that area.
We did it.
So
We did it. We did it.
And we walked.
Guys,
But yeah,
y'all should have seen me tweeting. That was bad. I got secondhand embarrassment for y'all.
Okay.
So yeah, we pretty much just scootered around. We went to like a park. We went to the city center with this big tree. And we kind of just like rode around. I wasn't really able to record because I was on the scooter, and it's not my first time being on a scooter, but I wanted to give it my full focus. Maybe next time I'll have like a tripod or something for you guys so that y'all can go on the ride. But the ride was definitely recorded, just not at the right point of view, if that makes sense. But yeah, this is the Christmas tree. They were playing a movie. You could like sit out. There's snow that came out of the tree. You could like have like a picnic and stuff. And my mom had on these Meta glasses, those little Ray-Ban Meta glasses. So she pretty much recorded like the majority of the ride. She was behind Taya most of the time. She was trying to stay in the back of us. So she was just in the back with Taya for most of the time.
Is this video about me?
Go to the next video.
Yeah.
I feel like I'm catching strays.
You was the one in the back all the time. That's right.
I was struggling. I let them know. When we're going down the hill, everybody's still going super fast. I was like, no, I'm not doing that.
Y'all go too fast for me. I got PTSD.
No, but you got breaks. It's like you ain't got the little sketch.
My little teeth tinkle toes.
Like the Grinch.
It ain't that bad though.
That was a good ride. That was a good ride.
We was-
That on the way back.
It looks
was a good
faster than what
ride.
it really is when you think about it.
It looks like y'all going.
Yeah, we went to Atlanta Station and we rode over to Piedmont.
I thought I was recording. I wasn't recording. So that just tells you everything that you need to know, baby. But yes. Let me get in front of you. I don't know why I keep doing that, y'all. All right, so like I was saying, I forgot to record. But we got our Stanleys, we got some greens, we about to go to sleep, and we gotta wake up and we doing what's the we doing community service, y'all. I could not think of the words to say. But cheers, y'all. See you in the morning.
Alright, y'all, that's the end of that. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, please, guys. Road to 100 subscribers.